Hello, this is OBDOLS in a new video about how to install BMW ISTA software version 4.52. Files can be found in the link in the description below. First, let's install the dependencies, Visual C++ and Net Framework, to make sure our software works in a good circumstances. For Visual C++, just extract the folder, then run install all as administrator. And to install Net Framework, go to Control Panel, then look for Programs and Features. Find Turn Windows, Features On or Off. Select all the needed dependencies, then click OK. Then select Let Windows Updates download files for you. In the meanwhile, let's start the installation process of ISTA software. Move the folder named Shared Storage to C drive. Then open it and double-click on BMW ISTA ELEAN Admin Client app to install it. You can directly run it from the shared folder. I just copied these two apps to make it clearer for you to understand. Install BMW ISTA Admin Client first. Double-click on it to run it. It is not yet activated. Let's see how to make it work in an easy way. Run ISTA Next License Request app. Then fill the fields with your real data. Make sure to select language English here, and I will show it in the end of the video how to add more languages. And on the location of shared storage, make sure you copy the folder path where your shared storage is stored at. Then click on Generate Request. It will generate new request file in the same directory as ISTA Next License Request app. To get your full license file, just send me the file. I will generate license file for you. You can find my contact in description below. Like you see, I have already generated license files under the folder named ISTA Admin Client. Copy all the files inside the received folder and paste them on the following path. Local disk C/program data /BNW/ISPI/config/ELEN/ISPI admin client. Delete all the files inside this folder, then paste the files here. Double-click BMW Group ISPI Admin app from the desktop. Double-click BMW Group ISPI Admin app from the desktop. Congratulations! We have done the hard part. It is full activated now. We just need few easy steps. Now double-click on BMW ISTA Launcher to install it. Select I agree to the license terms and conditions after reading them, then click Install. Now go down to this little arrow and right-click on BMW Launcher icon, then select Display ISTA launcher, click Install ISTA. Here, if you want only diagnostic software, you can select No Programming Data. But if you need full software, diagnostic and programming, select first one complete programming data. For me, I'm going to select first option. Click OK. Mark down. I accept the conditions. Then click on Install ISTA. This installation process will take about 6 to 12 hours. Depends on your PC speed. I am going to speed up the video now. Installation successfully completed. Congratulations. Now go to the shared storage folder and find ista.reg. Double-click on it and then click Yes. OK. Start BMW Group ISTA application. Everything looks fine now. Now let's see how we can add more languages to the software. If you are English user, you can skip this part. From the link in the description, you will find language pack files. Download your preferred language pack and follow with me. This customer needs French language, so I downloaded SQLITEDS_FR for French language. Let's extract the files and follow up. Copy the extracted files. Better select Cut to move them since we don't need them at current folder. Go to local disk, C/BMW/ISPI/TAISQLITDBS and paste the files here. Let's start BMW software again to select French language. Go to Settings, and here we can select our new added language, French. Then click OK. In the next video, we will update ICOM Next firmware to match this version and test it. Also, I will show you how to make it work with ENET cable. See you in the next one.